friends, and welcome. Today I am bringing you another summer decorate with me video, and today I'm going to be decorating my family room mantle. This is one of my biggest mantles that I have in my house. All of my mantles are electric, and I have all been purchased secondhand, and I have upcycled them. So this video is also part of a challenge that is hosted by MSME Stephanie, with Stephanie, and her co-host is Kenya at Kenya's Decor Corner. So I will have both of their channels linked down below, as well as the playlist, so make sure you go on and check out both of them as well as the playlist after you're done watching my video. So as you saw, I started off with the kind of a blank canvas. I have been doing this now for several different seasons that I've been decorating, where I take completely everything off, so nothing is kind of clouding my judgment of where I want to put things. It's blank and I start over. So I have cleaned the mantle up, and I added my window, which is also a thrifted item that I have upcycled, and then on that mirror, on that window, I have added my lemon wreath. I have DIY'd this lemon wreath over on my DIY channel, I think 2 years ago. I can link that video in a description box for you to check out if you want to see how I've done it. I've done it with all dollar store materials. And then I typically have this vase over here as well, which is another upcycled item, and I just switch out different flowers and florals that I use in it. This time I am going with some dogwood. I love using yellow during late spring and into the summer. I think it just brightens up the space, and it goes so well with all the lemon decor that I am adding into my house. If you have not seen, I recently just did a tier tray decor, and lemon was the theme, and lemons are the theme for my summer decor this year, and I think they were last year as well. I just love the brightness and the cheerfulness that they bring into a room. And to offset that vase, I am adding my lantern. These items, the windows, the vase, and the lanterns, are here most of the time, and then I just switch around what I use in the middle. I am playing around a lot until I achieved the look that I'm going for. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja, and this is my home channel, where you will find tons of decor inspirations, as well as some cleaning and organizing. If this is something that interests you, I would absolutely love it if you became part of my YouTube family by pressing the subscribe button and a notification bell. And if you're brand new, you might also want to know that I also have a DIY channel and a cooking channel, and links to those will be in the description box, along with my blog, Instagram, and Facebook. So as you can see, just playing around, seeing what works. I have been loving the French farmhouse decor, but I don't have a ton of pieces in that decor style, so I'm slowly adding these pieces into it and incorporating with the existing decor. I've been loving and enjoying using the baby's breath. These had come from Dollarama last year, and I've used them quite a bit throughout the spring last year, and this year I'm finding myself reaching for them for my summer decor as well. As you can see, I'm moving things around quite a bit. Let me know down in the comments, do you guys play around with your decor, or do you place things and just walk away and let it be? I tend to change it around even after I finish decorating something and I think it is right where I want it to be. After a couple days, I tend to change things around just because it's not working for me. almost all of my decor is thrifted or DIY'd. That way I can stay within the budget of switching decor seasonally, because it can get quite expensive to do this every season. I have been loving whenever I see on Instagram or on Pinterest when they have greenery drooping off the mantle on the one side, so I'm trying to kind of recreate that look here. So if you want to see if this mantle stays the way it is now, make sure you come back, because in a couple weeks I will be sharing my summer home tour, and that way you can see if I kept it the same way or if I had changed things around. So here it is, all finished up, and I absolutely love the way it looks at this time. I've added a little bit of lemons onto it just to tie the lemons on the wreath with the yellow dogwood, and then a lot of rustic farmhouse-ish items on there. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and make sure to check out Stephanie's and Kenya's channels, which are linked in the description box, as well as the playlist. And I will have more of my summer decorating videos linked at the end of this video, so if you need more decorating inspiration, make sure you head on over there, where you'll find more. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.